Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can check for viruses in Windows 11. So you don't need to really download any separate software for that. Windows has a very good security system. Just search for settings over here, and then you want to go to privacy and security, and then you want to go on Windows security. As you can see right over here, it says virus and threat protection. You want to click on this one. From here, what you want to do is there are two things. You can either do a quick scan, or you can go to scan options and you can do a full scan or a Microsoft Defender antivirus. A full scan is good, but it takes time depending on how much files you have, but it scans everything and lets you know if there is any problem. You just need to click on scan now. Similarly, for Microsoft Defender antivirus, they will do everything else, and this is specifically for virus. You can do either full scan and then you can continue doing this, or you can at first do the antivirus scan now and then click on full scan and scan now. But either ways it works, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.